Operation Sindoor isn't just the combat that we saw, where we go hit terror camps. It is an ongoing mission. One of that is us. Diplomacy, trade, economically, militarily, through our armed forces. You attack us, we attack you back. And this is what the new idea of zero tolerance to terrorism should stand for. Post Article 370 removal, we saw Jammu and Kashmir see peace. We also saw an election. We also saw an elected government coming to power. Shri Omar Abdullah is the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. And post the terror attacks, I know he's fighting for statehood there, but post the terror attacks in the assembly, the first thing he said was, this is not the time for me to ask for statehood. This is time for me to fight for justice. So that is the spirit that we fight with. I will go back home. I will go back to India. I will have questions of my government. But I stand resolutely with India, with the Indians, and ensure that in every part of this mission, if our political parties can get together and not be divided, then there's no force on earth that we can't beat. And if you as Indians, as the brand ambassadors who are here, if you all speak up for what we have suffered and to tell them about the challenges that they may face in the future, that would also be part of our Mission Sindoor. So again, once again, I would like to thank you all for having me here, allowing me to speak. And I speak as a woman before I speak as a politician. I speak as a mother before I speak as a politician of a particular party. So in that same faith, in that same belief, in that same resolve, let's all stay together, let's all stay united, let them come and do their sloganeering. We will stand firm, we will stand with Mother India. Jai Hind.